These machines, designed to quickly and efficiently turn logs into chips or mulch, have become increasingly popular due to their versatility and productivity. In this video, we will learn together about their amazing ability to work. Watch the entire video to see the surprise. The 6400 wood hog horizontal crusher is a machine that turns wood, pallets and low-value organic waste into wood chips and reuses them. It can crush 700 yards of wood per hour, which is something that not all machines of the same type can do. The Beast 3680 is a horizontal grinder that can grind all types of wood materials into wood chips, with a grinding capacity of up to 1,000 cubic yards of material per hour. Rugged design and advanced technology ensure efficient and precise grinding, helping to quickly process even the hardest woods. The Morbark 1300 tank grinder uses the principle of rotation. When the material is dropped, it will grind until it is crushed. This machine has a very special feature. It can collect wood and grind it at the same time. In places with a lot of wood waste, like urban areas, this is a very popular recycling machine. It effectively processes wood waste with a capacity of 500 cubic yards per hour. Machines like this contribute a lot to protecting the urban environment. Every day, they process hundreds of tons of scrap. Hyde 9 Jetton's grading and spiral grinding machine is a machine that was manufactured 10 years ago. Although the capacity is not as good as new machines, the efficiency it brings is still very good. The Morbark 1300B tank grinder is the newest product this year. Its working capacity is 2.5 times that of the previous machine. If you are a lover of forestry related work, please subscribe to my channel to watch interesting videos every day. The American Fertilizer Council held a launch event in Daytona Beach, Florida. The event directly introduces the latest horizontal crushers, shredders, and screening equipment of 2024. The Pezzoletto drum wood chipper has a capacity of 700 horsepower. This is considered a heavy-duty machine, trusted and used by large countries, such as the US and Germany, to crush wood for industries. See how the Moorbach 6000 400-inch wood hog handles large lumber, yard waste, and discarded wood pallets. It is the latest model in a new generation horizontal grinder platform that is ideal for processing wood waste, land clearance, and storm debris into saleable products, and storm debris into saleable product. For orchards, dry tree processing machines like this bring many benefits to farmers. Weighing 96,500 elbs and with a 1200 horsepower motor, the 6400X is the largest and most efficient machine in its class of horizontal grinders. Its only disadvantage is that it is difficult to move between wood processing location. This compact machine is very suitable for small wood waste recycling places, Its material consumption is also very low. With the development of machinery, people benefit greatly when heavy work is now replaced by machines. It's convenient, right? It can travel to wherever we work. It is individually designed to fit your operational needs perfectly, ensuring maximum profits with minimum space. As the forestry industry continues to evolve and embrace innovation, wood chipper is poised to play a pivotal role in streamlining wood processing operations, maximizing resource use, and contributing to stewardship, sustainable forest resources. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you in the next part.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.